सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमो नमः। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः त्रयोदशः पाठः अधीतः। अधुना चतुर्दशः पाठः यः वर्तते तस्य शब्दान् वयम् अधिगच्छामः, अवगच्छामः। स्क्रीन शेयर करो। त्रयोदशः अधीतः खलु। चतुर्दशः पाठः। अत्र आभ्याम्भिस् एभ्याम्भ्यस् अस्भ्याम्भ्यस् नाम मुख्यत्वेन तृतीया, चतुर्थी तथा पंचमी एतासां विभक्तीनां तत्र किं भविष्यति, उपयोगः भविष्यति। तृतीया विभक्ति मुख्यत्वेन कुत्र उपयुज्यते?
When we use an instrument.
तदा करणकारके तृतीया विभक्तेः उपयोगः। चतुर्थी विभक्तेः उपयोगः कुत्र?
संप्रदाने।
संप्रदाने चतुर्थी विभक्तेः उपयोगः भवति। पंचमी विभक्तेः
अपादाने।
अपादाने पंचमी विभक्तेः उपयोगः। पुनश्च केवलं करणे तथा संप्रदाने तथा
अपादाने
अपादाने एव तेषाम् उपयोगः वा इति चेत् तथा नास्ति। तस्य बृहत् उपयोगः वर्तते। अहं पुनः एकं विभक्तिं पुनः प्रदर्शयामि। तेन एकवारं यद् अस्माभिः पूर्वम् अधीतम् आसीत् तस्य एकवारम् आवर्तनं भविष्यति। तृतीया विभक्तेः उपयोगः कुत्र इति चेत् कर्मणि कर्तृकारकस्य तृतीया विभक्ति भवति। कर्तृकारकस्य तृतीया अथवा कर्तुः तृतीया। उदाहरणार्थं किं? रामेण शिवः पूज्यते। तो शिव इज worshipped by राम। अत्र यदा कर्म प्रथमायां भवति कर्मणि प्रयोगे कर्तृकारकं सर्वदा तृतीया विभक्तौ भवति। रामेण तथैव शिवेन देवाः रक्षन्ते। द गॉड्स आर प्रोटेक्टेड बाय शिव। मया ग्रन्थः लिख्यते। The text, the scripture or the grantha is written by me. तद्वत् तेन विद्यालयः गम्यते, जनन्या भोजनं क्रियते इत्यादिकं। द्वितीयः उपयोगः तृतीया विभक्तेः करणकारके उपकरणे अथवा साधनार्थे तृतीया विभक्ति भवति। उदाहरणं किं? रामः शत्रुं मारयति, किन्तु केन साधनेन, केन उपकरणेन इति चेत् रामः बाणेन शत्रुं मारयति। पाचकः स्वदते। स्वदते टेस्ट। हाउ डज ही? चमसेन स्वदते। He takes little bit whatever he is making, he will take through chamasa and then he will do swadanam. दंडेन वृद्धः चलति। वृद्धः चलति किन्तु कस्य सहायेन? दंडेन। सुधाखंडेन फलके लिखति। सुधाखंड चौक। यानेन कार्यालयं गच्छति। यानं becomes करणम्। अहं केन पश्यामि? अहं नेत्राभ्यां पश्यामि। Like that. Along with these words, सह साकं सार्धं समम्. Along with this word we need to use तृतीया विभक्ति। रामेण सह सीता वने वसति अथवा न्यवसत्। तेन साकं, तेन रामेण साकं, तेन सार्धं लक्ष्मणः अपि वनं गतवान्। जनन्या सह पुत्रः अपि विपणिं गच्छति। So what is the use of this? Whenever you want to use सह, साकं, सार्धं, समम, the rule says you have to use tritiya vibhakti along with these avyayas. Next, what is the use of tritiya vibhakti in anga vikarah? Yasmin ange vikarah, disability, tatra tritiya vibhakti punascha. उदाहरणं किं? सः कर्णेन बधिरः, he is deaf by ear. मुखेन अथवा वाण्या मुखं, पादेन खञ्जः, handicap by his पाद, leg. पादाभ्यां पंगु, नेत्रेण काणः, नेत्राभ्याम अंधः. These are some अंगविकारस्. हेतौ, हेतौ नाम तत्र कारणं यदि दातव्यं, हेत्वर्थे पुनः तृतीया विभक्ति उपयुज्यते. अहं तत्र निवसामि, अहं रत्नागिरौ निवसामि. कारणं किम्? अहम् अत्र अध्ययनेन वा अध्यापनेन वा अत्र निवसामि. अध्ययनेन अध्यापनेन becomes हेतु of living. अहं शिरोवेदनया सूत्राणि न स्मरामि. I don't remember sutras. Reason is शिरोवेदना. पुण्येन पश्यामि हरिम. I saw Hari or I see Hari. But what is the hetu to look at Hari or to have darshanam of Hari? पुण्येन. पाप पुण्यैः मनुष्यत्वं लभते, पापेन नरके यातनाम् अनुभवति, etc. And this is hetu. Itham bhuta lakshani is next. Itham bhuta lakshana means whenever we want to describe the nature of things, that time we can use again tritiya vibhakti. Prakritya sadhu, स्वभावेन सह साधु वर्तते. दुग्धम मधुरम भवति, प्रकृत्या स्वभावेन मधुरम वर्तते. शिखया ब्राह्मणः, यदि शिखा अस्ति चेत् ब्राह्मणः. द्विजः इति उच्यते. जटाभिः यति, यदि जटा दृश्यते शिरसि चेत् सः कदाचित् यतिः एव. अद्यत्वे जनाः वर्धयन्ति तेषां केशाः, केशसंभारेण अधुना यतिः नावगन्तुं शक्यते. किन्तु लक्षणं यदि अस्ति, जटाः यदि दृश्यन्ते चेत् जटाभिः यति इति. पुनश्च भाववाचक, इमोशन वाचक यदि शब्दः उपयुज्यते तस्य योगे तृतीया. क्रोधेन गृहात् गच्छति, सः क्रोधेन गृहात् बहिर्गच्छति. भक्त्या देवं पूजयति. हाउ डज ही? विथ along with devotion. माता स्नेहेन शिशुं पालयति. Mother loves or takes care of शिशु with love. गुरुः संतोषेण प्रश्नं पृच्छति. लोभेन, संतोषेण, कोपेन, कामेन, मत्सरेण, क्रोधेन, कष्टेन, भयेन. These are emotions. Along with this you can use tritiya vibhakti. In the sense, whenever you want to use the lobha, santosha, kopa, you have to use tritiya vibhakti while using these words. Vina alam. Whenever we want to use vina shabda, we can use dvitiya, tritiya, panchami. And alam shabda yogi, whenever we want to say alam, means enough. That time we can say alam krodhena, alam rodanena, alam abhyasena, right? Alam bhojanena. Like this. Kim. Kim, this is the like को लाभः, किं प्रयोजनं, को अर्थः. मूर्खेण पुत्रेण किम. What is the use of मूर्खपुत्र? इंधनरहितेन वाहनेन किम. What is the use of the vehicle where there is no indhana, petrol or diesel? लवणरहितेन भोजनेन किम. Mishtannam is very good, but there is no salt. What is the use of that bhojanam? It will not taste good. शुष्क कासारेण किम, etc. etc. That is the use of tritiya vibhakti. So mainly, so karana karakam, and in karmani prayoga even kartrupadam gets tritiya vibhakti. Along with saha sakam sardham samam, with this avyayas, the tritiya vibhakti we need to use. Anga vikari if there, it is again tritiya. हेतु is there, तृतीया विभक्ति. अलम शब्द प्रयोगे तृतीया विभक्ति. विना शब्द प्रयोगे तृतीया विभक्ति. कह लाभः, सदृशः, रामेण सदृशः, etc. भावार्थे, हीनः, कालः. Along with these words also तृतीया विभक्ति. Let's go back to Chaturthi now. Sampradane, main use of Chaturthi vibhakti is whenever you want to show the receiver of action, we use Sampradana Karakam, and Sampradana Karakam will be pointed out through Chaturthi vibhakti. Yasmai datavyam tasya Chaturthi vibhakti. Balihi Vamanaya bhumim dadati. So Vamana is the receiver of taking bhumi. So Chaturthi vibhakti. Ramah Brahmanaya dhanam yacchati. Parshuramah Shriramaya shaktim dadati. Devaya pushpani samarpayami. Mata balakaya modakam dadati. That is the one use. Second use, ruchyarthanam priyamane. So here rochate kriyapad, whenever we are using, we need to use Chaturthi vibhakti along with whom? Whoever liking it. Balakaya dugdham rochate. So balakaya, the person will get Chaturthi vibhakti. Ishwaraya bhakti hi rochate. Ganeshaya modakani rochante. Chhatraya adhyanam rochate. Sadhave ekantah rochate, etc. etc. So rochate you have to focus on whenever you are using rochate kriya pada. Chaturthi vibhakti you need to use. Krudha, druha, irsha, asuya, ityadi. So basically krudha is the one kriya pada. So similar kriya pada even if you find, you have to use Chaturthi only. So krudhyati, kupyati, like that. So क्रोधः कोपः द्रोहः ईर्ष्या असूया यस्य उपरि भवति तस्य चतुर्थी. पिता बालकाय क्रुध्यति. The father gets angry upon balaka. कंसः कृष्णाय कुप्यति. विभीषणः रावणाय द्रुह्यति. सुरुचिः सुनीतये अथवा सुनित्यै ईर्ष्यति. दुर्जनः सज्जनाय असूयति. Next, तादर्थे चतुर्थी. तादर्थे for something. For example, Raja Janebhyah Tadagadin Nirmati. The king builds the Tadaga, etc. Tadaga in the sense pond and wells and the dharmashalas, all the things. For whom? For the purpose of people. Pita Putraya Dhanam Sampadayati. He owns lot of money. What is the use? He wants to give to his son. Nothing else. That's it. अहम ज्ञानाय ज्ञानार्थम वा पठामि. ज्ञानाय चतुर्थी विभक्ति. अर्थम शब्द can be used with shabda, any shabda, and it gives the meaning of chaturthi vibhakti. ज्ञानार्थम पठामि. माता बालकेभ्य भोजम निर्माति, वगैरह वगैरह. Next use is नमस्वस्ति स्वाहा स्वधा अलम वषट योगाच्च. So along with these words, again we are going to use Chaturthi vibhakti. Ramaya tasmai namah, Saraswati namah, Gurubhyo namah, Prajabhyah swasti, swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam, Nyayena margena mahim mahimtaha, etc. Devaya swaha, Agnaye swaha, Prajapataye swaha. Everywhere you will find Chaturthi vibhakti. Pitrubhya swada. And alam shabda prayog. Now here the sufficient. In previous Tritiya Vibhakti we were looking at alam shabda. There was the meaning of enough. Don't do again. In that meaning. Here it means sufficient. Gita Jnanaya alam. You don't have to read any another text. If you read Gita, Gita will be sufficient to give you the ultimate knowledge of Supreme Paramatma. So the Grantha is sufficient. Or the Ramaha Sarvebhyaha Asurebhya alam. Rama alone is sufficient for all the Rakshasas. Like that. Devebhya alam, Devebhya vashat, vaushat means the offerings for the purpose of Devas. Now the summary is Sampradani Chaturthi, Ruchyarthe rochate kriyapada yoge yasmai rochate tasya chaturthi, alam shabda prayoge chaturthi, Krudyati kupyati along with this kind of kriya pada. Chaturthi vibhakti druhyati asuyati, again same. Tadarte chaturthi, namaswasti swada alam vashat yogacha. So basically this is the summary of Chaturthi vibhakti. Now we'll do last one, Panchami. In this case, in this lesson, Panchami vibhakti will be used. So apadane Panchami, the place of separation. Vidyalayat gruham agacchati. The Vidyalaya is the place from where the student is getting separated. He is coming towards Gruham. So, Apadanam is Vidyalaya And to indicate that apadana, we use Panchami Vibhakti. Mohanaha ashvat patati, vrikshat parnani patanti, akashat naradaha agacchati. These are whatever is underlined, these are apadana, and to indicate apadana, we need to use Panchami Vibhakti. Bhi, tra, अर्थानाम धातूनाम योगे यत्र भय हेतुः अत्र त्राण हेतुः तत्र पंचमी विभक्ति. So basically भी नाम बिभेति, त्रा नाम रक्षति, यस्मात् त्राणम यस्मात् रक्षणम तत्र पंचमी विभक्ति, यस्मात् भीतिः यह भय हेतुः तत्रापि पंचमी. सह व्याघ्रात् बिभेति, व्याघ्र इज द भय हेतु, so तत्र पंचमी विभक्ति. आरक्षकात् आरक्षकः चोरात् त्रायते, त्रायते in the sense rakshati, pati, right? So he is protecting from chora, so we will use Panchami Vibhakti. Krishnah कंसात् गोपान् रक्षति, गोपिकाः कृष्णात् नवनीतं रक्षन्ति, etc. जायते, उद्भवति, along with प्रादुर्भवति, उत्पद्यते, along with this whatever is the source will get Panchami Vibhakti. Himalayat Ganga udbhavati, Ishwarat Jagat utpadyate, Chandrama Manaso Jatah, Surya, etc. etc. Annat Bhavanti Bhutani, Gita. Akhyatopayoge. Now next use is Yasmat Adhite Tasya Panchami. So if there is a regular studying from some teacher, so whoever teaches you will be put into Panchami Vibhakti. Upadhyayat adite, without any break. Arjunah Dronacharyaat Dhanurvidyam patati. Bhimaha Balaramat Gadayuddham patati. Aham Guroho adhiye. Aham Guroho patami. Like that. Again, Vina Shabda Yoga, as we saw earlier, same. Vina Shabda Prayoge, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Punascha Panchami api bhavati. Rate. ऋते शब्द योगे पंचमी. ज्ञानात् ऋतेन मुक्तिः अथवा मुक्तिः नास्ति. धनात् ऋते वस्तूनि क्रेतुं न शक्नुमः. If we don't have wealth, we cannot earn money. So where money is very important nowadays. So धनात् ऋते वस्तूनि क्रेतुं न शक्नुमः. रामात् ऋते जीवनं नास्ति से सीता. Right? कृष्णात् ऋते कः गोपान् रक्षिष्यति? Who will take care of all the gopas without Krishna? Tulanarthe, whenever we do comparison between two people, then we have to use Panchami Vibhakti. Balaramat Krishna Shamalah. Bhagwan Krishna is black or dark. Then Balarama. Sachinaitarebhyah patutamaha. Aham mama bandhoho Krishah asmi. Sah tasmat patutarah. Etc. etc. Okay. Now the summary is Apadani Panchami. Bhayarthe, whatever is a bhay hetu, the पंचमी विभक्ति विल बी यूज्ड. रक्षार्थे अथवा त्राणार्थे यस्मात् रक्षणं भवति तत्र पंचमी विभक्ति. जायते, उद्भवति, समुद्भवति, प्रादुर्भवति, along with this kind of kriyapada, where whatever is the source will get चतुर्थी विभक्ति. अधीते, नियमेन अध्ययनं यस्मात् प्रचलति तस्य गुरोः पंचमी विभक्ति. ऋते, विना, along with these अव्ययस् again. तुलनार्थे again पंचमी. आरभ्य, बहिः, along with these words also. सोमवासरात् आरभ्य हम अभ्यासं करिष्यामि वगैरह वगैरह. ग्रामात् बहिः निवसामि, etc. Now up to this is sufficient, I think. We'll go towards our Bhandarakara. So memorization of words you have already done, right? So if Rama Shabda comes, तृतीया चतुर्थी पंचमी वेनो रामेण रामाभ्यम रामैः रामाय रामाभ्यम रामेभ्यः रामात् रामाभ्यम रामेभ्यः. So basically this we had memorized earlier. Now they are introducing ikaranta shabda like Rama or Lata, whatever is simple. You have memorized Lataya, Latabhyam, Latabhihi, Latayai, Latabhyam, Latabhyah, Latayaha, Latabhyam, Latabhyah. This is how Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami of Akaranta Shabda. What about Ikaranta Shabda? Nadi Shabda, if you have memorized, Nadya, Nadibhyam,
नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः नदीभिः, right?
हाँ, Nadibihi. Tritiya is Nadibihi. And Nadyai, Nadibhyam, Nadibhyah.
भ्यः
Nadyaha, Nadibhyam,
नदीभ्यां
Nadibhyah.
नदीभ्यः.
That is Panchami Vibhakti. So this is how all the words are going to go. So mainly Tritiya, Chaturthi and Panchami will be focused in this part. sentences are going to be very simple. Avanti, name of a town or Ujjain is called Avanti, used to call Avanti Nagari. Kanta means female, beloved or wife. Kaushambi is called the name of town. Kaushambi is a Nagari. Krida, sport or play. Chinta, and anxiety. Jara, old age. Dasi, maid or the maid servant. Devata, deity. Panchavati, name of the place. Pathashala, a school. Puri, a town. Puja, worship. Prabha, light. Mahishi, crowned queen. Vacha, speech. Vyatha, pain. Sita, Rama's wife. Now there are mixed words. Anuragaha, love. Karabhakaha, the young elephant. The बच्चा, elephant का बच्चा. Okay. Kalaha, it's called strife or the quarrel. Quarrel, right? Quarrel. Geetam, a song. Jarataha, old man. Dutah, messenger. Nagaha, elephant. Nagaha means elephant also. Huh? Pallavaha, a sprout. Mauktikam, neuter gender, so pearl. Pear or pearl. Pearl, na?
Pearl, sir.
Pearl, right. Raktam, raktaha, red. Virupaha, virupam, deform. Sandeshaha, message. Swastaha, tranquil. And hitam, in beneficial or benefit. Nirgachati. Nirgachati means to depart. Pradadati. Pradadati means to give. Dadati, pradadati is the same. Dyotate is Atmanepadi form, first conjugation. So to shine. Dyotate, to shine. Utpatati. Utpatati, rise up, to fly up. Udi lagana, chalang lagana. Udgachati, utpatati. Okay. Parivriyate, parivrunoti. Okay. Surround. Nivartate. Nivartate, to return. Vrita becomes vartate. Okay. Nivartate. Pratishtat, Atmanepadi, right? Prasthiyate. Let's make it prasthiyate. Prasthanam shabda vinu. Prahiyate, to send. Ahladayati, it is the 10th conjugation, so Ahladayati. Okay, to delight. Now let's change the sentence into English. Devatabhyo balim yachati.
He gives or offers oblation for gods.
He or she offers
Devta.
oblation for God.
Oblation to God or for God?
Okay, my voice was not clear, na? Okay. Devatabhyo balim yachati. He or saha devatabhyo balim yachati. He offers oblation for gods, the deities. बहुवचनम्. चित्तस्य व्यथया रामो मुह्यति.
Ram is in pain of mind.
No, muhyati. What is the meaning of muhyati?
I wrote faints
Rama faints by
due to
due to the pain
mental pain.
of
Mind.
or chitta. कान्तायै संदेशः प्रहीयते.
So I got stuck on this one. So for Kanta, he or she sends a message for Kanta.
No. Look at Kriya, Pura sentence, whether it is Kartari or Karmani. You can identify.
Yeah, prahiyate. So yeah, it is karmani, right?
It is karmani.
So, oh, message is sent. So
Beloved. By whom? Obviously by him. तेन तेन
oh,
प्रययि संदेशः प्रहीयते. Isn't it?
so it will be message is sent
Message is-
for
Hmm.
Kanta
Hmm.
by somebody.
Yakshah. Me.
Okay. So I took Kanta literally as the name Kanta. It doesn't mean Kanta over as a name over here.
No, Kanta means Kanta is beloved.
Right, right.
Right? Next. Avantya agacchati.
He or she comes to the Avanti.
Comes to the Avanti.
Returns.
Hmm?
Returns from Avanti.
No, it is not written. Agacchati to come.
Agacchati, to come.
But how
Come.
comes? Avantya. Which vibhakti is this?
Oh, from, right?
What happened to that visarga? Do you remember the rule?
It drops, no? Because it is followed by vowel sound.
Yes. Okay. Next. कृष्णस्य पत्न्यै फलानि रोचन्ते.
Fruits are liked by Krishna's wife.
Or whenever rochate kriyapad we are using, we can say she likes, he likes, like that. So Krishnasya patni, the wife of Krishna loves or likes fruits. वैसा भी translation होता है उसका.
Yeah, Krishna's wife likes fruits.
हाँ, fruits. दास्या सेव्यते महिषी.
The maid serve a crowned queen, or crowned queen is served by the dasya.
That is-
So maid servant. Maid servant.
So basically the queen, the crown queen is
Served by
maid servant. तो एक्चुअली कर्मणि प्रयोग है तो कर्मणि ट्रांसलेशन अच्छा रहेगा. जरया क्षीयते शरीरम.
The body is destroyed by old age.
क्षीयते. डिस्ट्रॉयड. क्षय मतलब डिस्ट्रक्शन डायरेक्टली नहीं होता. क्षय.
decays
हाँ, the body decays.
with old age.
हाँ, with or by old age or through old age. मणिनाम प्रभाभिर्द्योतते प्रासादः. प्रासादः मणिनाम प्रभाभिः द्योतते. प्रासाद.
What is Prabha? Oh, Prabha means light, right? The palace is light by the gems.
Dyotate means to
Shine.
shine. So prasadah in the sense of
Prasa,
is shines through the light of manis. Money means
Gemstone.
jewel.
gems,
Yes.
gels.
लज्जया प्रविशति गृहम्.
He or she enters the home with shame.
Shame in the sense shyness. Shame
Oh,
in that look weird here.
better.
Here shyness will be good.
Okay. So it makes sense to me, but I literally translated it thinking it might mean something. Okay. Shyness is better. Yeah.
देवस्य पूजायाः सुखं लभते.
By God's worship, he or she is enjoy,
लभते सुखम लभते. He obtains
obtains
happiness.
happiness. Yeah.
पूजायाः is पंचमी. From puja, from worship, from the
So by
God he obtains sukham. From पंचमी विभक्ति will do. बाय चतुर्थी तृतीया नहीं है तो बाय नहीं यूज कर सकते. We can say from the worship of God he obtains sukham. He gets sukham. प्रजाभ्यो हितम इच्छन्ति नृपतयः.
Kings desire the welfare of their subjects.
कौशम्ब्या निवर्तते दूतः.
like messenger returns to the Kaushambya.
Again to the. Why to the? It is not Dvitiya. Kaushambi is the word. Kaushambya.
Kausham-
Which vibhakti is this? Kaushambya actually.
So from Kaushambi, right?
From
From Kaushambi Nagari, the messenger from Panchami vibhakti visarga is missing there.
So messenger returns from the Kaushambi Nagari.
Yes. क्रीडायै प्रविशत्युद्यानम्.
क्रीडायै प्रविशति उद्यानम.
प्रविशति
So
उद्यानम्.
udyan. So he or she enters the park for play.
He or she enters the garden for play.
Garden for play.
Yes. सखिभिः परिव्रीयते सीता.
Sita is surrounded by her female friends.
Correct. Next. सहचरीभ्याम् अनुगम्यते नागः.
So naga is elephant here, right? Elephant anugamyate is follows.
Followed.
So elephant follows. Sorry, sahachari is followed by no. Oh, nagaha. Sorry, nagaha. Sorry, sahacharibhyam anugamyate. So nagaha, elephant follows sahacharibhyam. So two sahachari. What is sahachari? Friend?
I write it down. Elephant is followed by two female companions.
So basically, elephant is the master of their group, and now he is followed by his two companions, two elephants, female elephants. Sahachari means friends or the female friend. गर्लफ्रेंड दोनों उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड उनके पीछे पीछे जा रही है.
Okay. So elephant is followed.
पंचवट्या निर्गच्छति रामः. Simple.
Ram is depart from Panchavati.
Departs from Panchavati. Rama departs from Panchavati. लताभ्याम शोभते वृक्षः.
Tree is adorned by multiple creepers, like plural creepers.
लताभ्याम.
Oh, two creepers, sorry.
गंगायाः पुरी क्रोशौ.
Puri is 2 miles away from Ganga.
Correct. वापिभ्यो जलं वहति.
Flows from wells, multiple.
बालकाः पाठशालाभ्यः आगच्छन्ति.
बालकाः आगच्छन्ति. The children come from the schools.
चिन्तया दह्यते चित्तं नराणाम्.
People's mind burn. So I put burns because I put mind singular. People's mind burns due to anxiety.
Is burnt due to anxiety. दह्यते is a passive. यथा कलहः तथा अनुरागोऽपि वाचायाः उद्भवति.
This is little cliched for us.
So I can do what I could in English. I went back and forth, back and forth. So yatha tatha is basically jaise vaise, right? So jaise kalaha, vaise hi anurag. That's what I could not make it in English. I went back and forth, just like quarrel is also love. Love is also just like quarrel. I could not get the correct version of the.
I write it down the like English word of the Sanskrit word translate, but yeah, I cannot compound them.
Right.
That's why I say it's little cliched for us. This sentence was.
How it's a
Vacha शब्द you know.
which shabd, sir?
Vacha. Vacha means?
No, vacha is speech. I'm talking
Speech.
about the tatha. How will we do the yatha tatha one in English?
So just as quarrel, same the love also arises through speech. Just as same like that. Just as quarrel, वैसे ही.
Oh, okay. From speech arises quarrel.
So just as quarrel, same the love also arises from speech. Okay, now 1 2 minutes are remaining, so let's finish these 3 sentences. हरिः कन्याभ्यो मौक्तिकानां मालाः प्रयच्छति.
Hari gives garlands of pearls to the girls.
कन्या means girls नहीं, daughters. स्वस्थेन चित्तेन श्रूयते महिष्याः नृपतेः सन्देशः महिष्या स्वस्थेन चित्तेन श्रूयते.
So by Mahishi. So
The king's message
is heard by the queen with swastha is happy,
tranquil mind.
Tranquil mind.
अच्छे शब्द यूज करना. ट्रैंक्विल. गजस्य करभकः सीतया पल्लवैः पुष्यते. Fast.
The elephant's young nourished through Sita's ponds.
The young elephant is
nourished through Sita's ponds.
Then by Sita, not Sitayah, it is Sitaya. Tritiyah. The young elephant is nourished by Sita through her pallava. New क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Prouds. Okay.